Guys, all these insane clips you're seeing right now, they were made for free, with no watermark, no limits, and no paid plan. Yep, all of this came straight from Meta AI, and it's absolutely wild. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to make videos just like this, using one crazy prompt. And if you want the full prompt I'm using, it's waiting inside our AI creator community. Links below. All right, step 1. Go to your browser and search Meta AI. Click the first link, meta.ai, and log in with your Facebook or Instagram account. You'll land on this dashboard right here. And here's the secret. Meta AI doesn't make videos right away. It makes images first, then turns them into animated clips that look like movie scenes. Let's go. Click Imagine and type this prompt. A fiery dragon flying over a royal castle battleground with a princess on its back. Ultra-realistic style. Meta instantly gives you 4 jaw-dropping images. I'm talking real fire, detailed armor, smoke, light reflections. It's insane. And if you want this exact prompt, it's free inside our community. No strings attached. Now click Animate and watch the magic happen. Meta turns your image into a smooth video instantly. But wait, you can extend your animation and even add background music right inside Meta. You could literally turn this into a cinematic fantasy short in under a minute. And the best part? No watermarks, ever. And if you're feeling creative, switch styles. Try cinematic, cyberpunk, or full-on fantasy lighting. Meta reimagines your dragon and princess in flight like a blockbuster movie. And yeah, my exact style combos and presets are all in our AI creator community, ready for you to copy and paste. Here's something even cooler. You can upload your own photo. Tell Meta to make me a cyberpunk and animate it instantly. It'll recreate your image with pro lighting, smooth motion, and full cinematic detail. Perfect for intros, edits, or storytelling videos. So now you know how to make unlimited, ultra-realistic AI videos with Meta. Totally free. No limits, no subscriptions, no watermarks. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and join our AI creator community to grab the complete prompt pack, bonus tutorials, and early access to every new AI tool we find. Comment your craziest AI video idea below, and I might make it in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Now go make something epic with Meta AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.